Hey guys, so today I'm unboxing my iPhone 11 Pro Max. It is the silver color. I chose silver because everybody's going for gray or the greenish color, which I think is a great color, don't get me wrong. But I honestly believe that this phone looks better the silver color. It's actually looks more white than silver on the box, but I'm just going to unbox this today. It's not going to be a full review, but just an unboxing. um, I do have this. If you guys want me to review smartwatches, I can do that too. Just put in the comment section below, and when I get time, I'll grab this from somebody and make a review. All right, so let's open this up. So I did get the 256 gigabyte model. um, let's see. All right. So I guess it comes in this plastic. It's really easy to open. It's not really put on that tight. So I'm gonna put this away. And when you get the box, just the regular box says iPhone, shows the back of the phone, um, Apple logo on the back, and all the information. So like I said, it is the 256 gigabyte one. I do need all that space because my Note 8 did come with a free memory stick. And I filled up the phone already, so I'm already pretty far into the memory stick. So I definitely need all the space. All right, so I'm going to open this up. All right, so um, this is the top of the box. You can see it has a cutout for the camera on top, I guess, so it doesn't, scratch the back. And this is the phone right here. And like I said, it says silver, but it actually in person looks more white than silver. So let me just take the phone out. All right, so this is the phone. Take a look at it. It feels really high quality, really nice, and has this little notch like always. And no headphone jack. I'm gonna miss it since my Note 8 has one. But I've been using my JBuds Air for music more than anything, more than regular earbuds. In my car, I just use Bluetooth. I don't really need an aux cable, so this works more for me. But if you have an older car that has an aux cable, or you can buy the little cassettes where you can put in your cassette tape player that you can put in your car that comes with a little aux cable sticking out, you probably want to go for a different phone. Samsung did stop doing headphone jacks after the S10 Plus. So if you're looking for that, you want a S10 Plus or lower phone. Anything after that, you would have to go through Bluetooth. All right, so I'm gonna put the phone to the side. All right, so I'm gonna open this up. So, you know, design California like always. Inside here it just says hello, and I'm pretty sure this is where they usually keep the little stickers. So you can put that on your stuff if you want people to know you love iPhones. And also, a little pin and tells you where the SIM card tray is. So that's also nice. All right, so I'm gonna put that to the side. So inside is a charger, and then your headphones. So this is actually the charging cable. And these headphones, they actually go through the, I believe the lightning port, since it doesn't have any headphone jacks. So this is what you'll be using to listen to music if you want to. I won't really be using this. I'll be using my Bluetooth, but if I do ever end up in a situation where I do need to use this, at least I'll know it'll be in this box. All right, and that's the charger cable. And that's just everything that it comes with when you get it right out of the box. Um, I hate having the plastic on, so I'm going to peel that off. You can see as soon as you peel it off, you can see the notch. And, I'll just turn it on, so I guess you guys know it's a new phone. Huh. I don't know how to turn on iPhones. Interesting. Is that volume? Oh, there we go. All right, so it's booting up. And that's the back. If you have any questions or you want me to go over anything, just let me know. Um, I'll do a follow up video with all the different features of the phone and how I'm enjoying the experience so far. And that's it. All right. Thank you.